Hello everybody, wanted to show off this find from my late grandfather's hoard. It's a Radio Shack branded LCD plasma TV screen cleaning kit, and it is catalog number 44-125. There's a little information on that. It comes with the cleaner and the little squeegee thing. Here's a look at the back and a little information about it and the instructions. Okay, very good. 1-800-THE-SHACK. And it is new enough to have a website, so that's pretty cool. Well, I'm going to be cleaning my monitor. It needs a cleaning, and I figured I'll bust out the cleaner, the vintage cleaner. Better put this away before I get started. Now I've gotten the components out of the package. That's kind of a gel-like cleaner. And here's the squeegee. I'll get it set up on the tripod and we'll give this a shot. Let's get started. Spray some of this on the dirtier spots. Pretty much the whole thing is dirty. And then take that off. Now what do we got to do? And just wipe it. Like it's doing a reasonable enough job for what it is. Still got a few stubborn spots. And this microfiber is machine washable, according to the directions. I would say that's quite a bit better. So now I can get back to my regularly scheduled program, what I had planned to do this evening. Uh-oh. Didn't mean to show that. But anyway, all joking aside, thank you for watching.